And girls, I'm back. Just want to do another quick video showing you what I've been up to around my lab lately. I've been playing around with my microwave transformers again, and I've been wanting to try different setups with them. And I'll show you what I got going on. Alright, here's what I got right now. I have this transformer and these three capacitors tied together. This transformer and these three capacitors tied together, and each capacitor / transformer bank goes to one of these bolts. And I got my 120. The neutral leg is going into the one side of the transformer on this side. The hot side is going into the primary coil of this transformer, which I have shorted out onto itself. So this transformer is shorted, and then I have the one side coming out going into here. So I'm using this basically to current limit, because both these bigger transformers over here are de-shunted, and if I try to run them right off the main, it'll try to pull 40 amps right through the wall. And I got 14 gauge wire in the wall and cloth wrapped insulation, so I'm not quite going to chance that. So I got this, and it brings it down to about 20 amps. Works pretty good. Maybe a little over 20 at times. I've seen it peak out at like 30, but average amp draw is about 20. But yeah. And basically what I got is my 120 on this side, and then I just tapped off the 120 to hook these in parallel. But on this side I have it reversed so that these are out of phase from each other. The cores are grounded together, and since they're out of phase, the hot side here on the bolt, they can, if you draw an arc over the bolts, it'll actually arc to itself. And I'll go ahead and demonstrate what I mean. It's easier to see it than for me to try to tell you about it. So I'm going to go ahead and use my handy dandy induction motor core to hold my to hold my micro switch down in my controller box. Alright, so bench is live right now. I got this transformer here shorted out on itself, and these two transformers here, as you can see, I'm idling at about 3 amps draw, and here we go. Come on. Yeah, it took out my breaker. Give me a second, let me reset it. Alright, let me show you the amp draw on it. Oop, hold on. There we go. See how close I can get without actually like zapping my fucking self. Come on now. Oh, took out my breaker. Ooh, zesty. Ooh. Yeah, that's a way to do it. Kick it off and then bring it down so the bolt catches it. Oop, hold on, I gotta turn my breaker back on. Yeah, the 15 amp breaker in this thing is like a real POS. It's trash. This power strip is junk. I mean, it barely works. I need another one. Yeah, and so basically, since they're out of phase from each other, they're attracted to the hot side of each other. It's pretty cool, ain't it? I'm thinking about using this same system with a couple ignition coils. It'll be like 80,000 volts almost. It'll only be like maybe 0.2 mA or something like that, but oh well. I can take and start stacking them in parallel and in series. I can get like 4 of them, and it'll be like an X-ray transformer or something like that. You stack enough of them, and that's using that simple system I was telling you about, using a light switcher or a light dimmer, the triac in it, to cut down on your wavelength, to pulse your coil. And I was using that to on my flyback here, and it worked pretty good. Alright, guys and girls, I just wanted to share that with you. Just thought you'd find that pretty cool. Anyways, I'm out. Later. Hope you enjoyed. Comment, subscribe, tell a friend. Please. Got any microwaves you don't want and you're looking to get rid of? I'd be happy to take them off your hands. Later.